Chassis structure. Our fuel tank features a 160-liter vertical design with an external protective cover, making it more environmentally friendly and safer. This tank increases single fuel capacity and enhances operational efficiency. The taillights adopt our LED taillight design, providing brighter illumination and improved safety when driving at night. On the side of the machine, we can see a large 1,500-liter cooler, which reduces capacity limitations and improves work efficiency. This is our integrated open box radiator, designed as a 6-in-1 combination. The air conditioner, generator, and transformer are all positioned together, making daily maintenance easier for our mechanics. It also allows for easy cleaning of dust and weeds from the interior. At the same time, we have implemented 2 dust prevention modes. 1. Pre-cleaning mode. When the handle is removed from the tank, it automatically pushes dust and weeds outward, effectively protecting the engine from prolonged high-performance operation. 2. Automatic dust prevention mode. This mode flips once every 3 minutes for 10 seconds and once every 2 minutes for 6 seconds, ensuring consistent dust removal and engine protection. This English translation is tailored for your mechanical team's requirements. Let me know if you need further assistance. Our cutting width can reach up to 2.4 meters, allowing users to achieve high harvesting efficiency. It features a high-rigidity spring design, which helps prevent bending and deformation. The lowest cutting angle can be adjusted down to 3 centimeters, enabling efficient harvesting of large crops. Among its key features, we utilize a 1-meter large-diameter bowline design, which is adjustable in 2 ways. It also incorporates a dual-shaft belt design, allowing rotation speed adjustments. This combination ensures efficient harvesting of both lodged and standing crops, providing operators with greater precision in machine operation. Now let's take a look at its feeding tube. Our feeding tube is designed with 13 spirals, with the main feeding tube featuring 12 spirals, ensuring a smoother feeding process with reduced clogging. Additionally, we have equipped the cutting platform with a reverse function. If the feeding tube becomes clogged, the operator does not need to leave the driver's seat. Simply open the side window and pull our reverse handle. This feature allows the cutting platform's reverse function to efficiently resolve blockages with ease. Let's take a look at the side of the machine. Our harvest belt wheel has been optimized from its original inner side design to an outer side design. It features a dual shaft belt design, which increases the length and thickness of the shaft, resulting in higher overall transmission performance and longer service life. The pulley belt utilizes a triple combination belt, providing higher transmission efficiency, lower vibration, and greater durability. Our pulley selection system features Kubota's classic 1-2-3-4 pulley selection design. The single pulley dual selection design, combined with a triple layer mesh and 4 air ducts, works with our 2.21-meter long diameter pulley roller, ensuring cleaner pulleys and reduced losses. The drive belt for the first and second wheels uses an extended Type-C belt, which enhances overall lifespan and provides more stable transmission performance. The second wheel has been upgraded to cast iron material to improve durability, marking a significant upgrade for the entire pulley selection system. Now, let's examine the drivetrain system. This model features Kubota's 45cc HST capacity, equipped with Kubota's classic 9-speed gearbox. Its maximum speed can reach 2.57 meters per second. Our drive belt utilizes a 58-inch 500mm high-slip Type O drive belt, ensuring the vehicle operates more stably, is easier to control, and maintains consistent driving performance. Now let's look at the chassis structure. This model adopts a Y8 crossbeam design with a maximum displacement of 322mm, allowing for easy removal of mud and grass from the field. Its overall performance is stable and smooth. I am Li Wei from the sales department of Shuzhou Kubota and Shuzhou Zhongsho. Kubota's combined harvesters have always been highly favored by our users and consistently attract significant attention. The product we are currently reviewing is the Jubaoshian EX1118Q combine harvester. This machine features high performance, low loss, and excellent cost efficiency, making it a popular choice among users across our regions. The harvester has a capacity of 6.5 kilowatt enterprise and an output power of 118.3 horsepower. It is equipped with Jubaoshian's classic V3800 4-cylinder 16-valve engine, which ensures reliable and stable performance. For exhaust gas treatment, we utilize an EGR exhaust cycle combined with a TOC fan and a DPF particle collector. This three-system combination meets our national emission standards. Additionally, no urea is required, making the machine highly stable and reliable. Among these, the patented DPF particle collector features automatic regeneration, making it easy to operate, environmentally friendly, and efficient. Now let's take a look at its cutting platform.